Hello, everybody, and welcome to Unit 6 of Foundations of Professionals Psychology. This is Dr. Reyes-Fournier. This week we're talking about ABA, and for those of you who don't know what ABA means, Applied Behavior Analysis is what ABA means. This site here, Autism Speaks, has a whole page on behavior analysis, and rightly so, because some of the largest population that they work with are what we would call lower functioning people on the spectrum of autism. I will give you this resource here. There's also, actually I'm looking for this one. This is the certification board for behavior analysts, and it goes through all of the credentialing that they need to do, the education they need for the different credentials, their ethics, and has everything that they need right here on their website. And this is an important thing to know. Whatever you plan on doing, whatever you want to do in psychology, you should be well aware of what it takes to get certified and or licensed in your field. This is where you start with advanced behavior analysis. I keep saying that word wrong. Another website I found was the Association for Behavior Analysis International. This is really cool because they show the crossovers of what behavior analysis can be involved in. It's not just children. They could also go into substance abuse treatment. So it's almost like a crossover between the addiction program and the ABA program. This is an important thing to look at specifically because there's such a need right now in the addiction field. And the idea of bringing in this component, this behavior analysis component into addictions is just perfect and brilliant, and I don't have enough to say about that. As you can see, NADAC is part of that, and our addiction program here at Purdue is certified and by NADAC. So you have all of this stuff here for you. Any questions, email me. This week I expect to see you guys jumping into these fields so that you know what's up with them. Behavior analysis is very simple. It is the foundations of psychology. You are going to observe behavior, you're going to try to define what the behavior is, and then by defining it, hopefully be able to predict it. If you can predict it, then you can control it. And that's where you do your interventions, and that's where you work with the individual to get them to have more positive producing behaviors, whether that's a child or an adult with an addiction problem. So I will see you tonight, and we will talk more about this and other stuff, and have a pleasant week. Go be nice to yourself. Do something nice for yourself.